So with iOS 26.5, Apple has added one of the coolest wallpaper features that I've seen on iPhone in a very long time. This new feature allows you to create custom wallpapers using up to 11 different color combinations. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how to use Apple's brand new wallpapers and new wallpapers customization features on iOS 26.5. Again, this new feature allows you to use up to 11 different color combinations to create very unique color pattern wallpapers for your device with really cool animations just like so. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, the first thing you need to know is that obviously this feature is only available in iOS 26.5. Now, the software is still currently in beta, but it should be available to the general public here in just a couple of days. Now, let me show you how to use this new feature. The first thing you're going to want to do if you update to iOS 26.5 is obviously head on over to the wallpaper gallery and select the new Pride wallpaper option right here. Now, as you swipe to the right, you see all the different flags available. However, once you swipe all the way to the end, this is where the new feature lies. You'll be able to see this new platter with multiple color options to start creating custom patterns and color wallpapers that you can create on your iPhone. Now, let me show you how I go about using this new custom wallpaper feature on iPhone. I think anyone and everyone should start off with the base colors black and white. I find that these will be the first color combinations to sort of get you going and then start adding new colors to create very cool patterns. Let me show you here. So in order to select the color, obviously all you have to do is tap on the color once. If you want to unselect the color, then obviously you're going to go ahead and click it again to unselect, just like so. Again, you can use up to 11 different color combinations. So right now I have black, white. Let's say I want to add one more color. Let's go with pink here. Add the color pink. You see right there, that combination looks very nice. But let's say I change my mind and I want to go with something more like, let's say a green, just like so. And you see there, the color green blending in with black and white, I think looks phenomenal. But let's try more color options. Let's say orange here. One of my favorite combinations right here. Also red is also one of my favorites. As you can see right there, it looks fantastic. But as I mentioned, you can choose up to 11 different color combinations here. So let's say I want to add a light blue, just like so. I can do that or unselect that, and I can go with more darker colors here. I can add more dark into the wallpaper here, and I can select again up to 11 different color combinations in order to create a custom wallpaper on iPhone with this new option. And now check this out. Once you're done creating your wallpaper and applying the wallpaper on your iPhone, when you go to unlock your iPhone, you get this really sweet animation. You see that? I think this looks so good. Now, if you have an always on display device, you can go into settings, head on over to display and brightness, and select the option for always on display right here, and make sure that show wallpaper is enabled, because once you put your device to sleep, the colors, as you can see right there, sort of fade into the background, and as you tap or wake your device, you see there, they sort of fade right back in. So it looks really cool when you have an always on display, and you can see right there, this really cool animation when unlocking your device with the sweet animations there for always on display. Now, obviously, if you don't want those colors showing when you're on your standby mode, you have to turn off the show wallpaper option, and those lines won't show and it won't fade in and out. But I think it looks really cool, and you see here really cool patterns that you can create with iOS 26.5's new custom wallpaper feature built into the iPhone. I thought this feature was so cool that I wanted to make a separate video for it. Again, iOS 26.5 should be available to the general public here in less than 1 week. If you're running the beta, obviously you can take advantage of this new wallpaper customization options for iPhone. Let me know what you think about this feature in those comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.